in one form of compromise of faith. You want to do it, give it to them on Eid, give it to them on your days. I know we live in a world where there's mixed communities and homogenous groups and all that. It's hard, but please try to avoid it. Problem is, we say, oh well, they will be offended and this and that. Do you want to do it at the expense of displeasing Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? It's a risky business. Look, if I give her money and with that money she buys new clothes and goes to the church and participates listening to all the haram and shirk, the lies that sometimes these pastors, astaghfirullah, not all of course, some pastors would be selling, who's going to be responsible for all of that? Right? So it's a questionable business. Avoid it if you can, or at least give them things that would fulfill their basic needs, like take care of some medical need, pay a medical bill, things like that are not directly contributing to the celebration part. So it's okay in the